Hello everyone, welcome back to DBNexus. We are back with another video, and this one is a big one because the database just learned to think, and the DBAs who learn with it will own the next decade. So let's talk about Oracle 26 AI. Now, Oracle 26 AI is not just another release; it's the first Oracle database that thinks vector search, RAC, AI-assisted diagnostics, all built right into the engine. And here's the thing. Most DBAs on the market today cannot administer it. So here's the problem. If your skills stop at 11G, 12C, or 19 key, you're competing for shrinking work. Every enterprise moving to 26 AI needs DBAs who can run AI vector search, secure it with SQL Firewall, and tune RAG workloads while still owning backup, recovery, and high availability. That combination is in short supply, and that gap, that's where the salaries are. So let me walk you through the program. This is Oracle AI Database 26 AI Advanced Training, 90 hours, 45 live sessions across about 4 months. Saturdays and Sundays 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. IST. So you keep your job while you upgrade your skills. Live and interactive over Zoom. Never pre-recorded slides. 15 modules and we start from zero. Linux administration for Oracle DBAs, 26 AI architecture, software installation, database creation, CDB and PDB, instance management, table spaces, users, roles, and security, control file, redo logs, and archive logs, and then 10 full hours on backup and recovery with RMAN and data pump. That's the skill that saves your career at 2 a.m. Then we get into the heavyweight modules, 4 sessions, 8 hours of Oracle Data Guard, including PDB level data guard, which is new in 26 AI. 8 session, 16 hours of RAC administration with grid infrastructure and ASM, patching and upgrade, including the 19C to 26 AI path with auto upgrade, performance tuning, Golden Gate 26 AI, and Enterprise Manager 24 AI with cloud. And now, this is what nobody else is teaching. 6 dedicated hours on AI vector search and the new data paradigms, where you build a working RAG application on the database itself, plus JSON relational duality and the converged data model, true cache and AI-driven SQL optimization, and SQL Firewall for in-database SQL injection protection, real 26 AI features on a real 26 AI lab. Now, who is this for? Complete beginner, no prior Oracle experience needed. We build you up from Linux administration, working DBA on 11G, 12C, or 19C. This is your modernization path. Developer or data engineer. Add AI vector search and RAG on Oracle to your toolkit. So, what comes with your seat? Lifetime recordings of every live session in your secure student portal, documentation, and ready to use DBA scripts, hands on labs on a real 26 AI environment with guided setup help, module assignments, interview preparation with mock questions and live Q&A, a completion certificate, 26 AI versus 19C cheat sheets, and WhatsApp mentorship, direct access to your instructor throughout the course. 4.9 stars from over 2,300 learners, taught live by senior Oracle DBA instructors with 12 plus years of hands-on production experience, not slide readers. So here's how you join. 45,000 rupees all inclusive. Pay securely through Razorpay, UPI cards, or net banking. The batch starts on the 8th of August and seats are filling fast. Enroll at dbnexus.co.in or ask a question on WhatsApp 91-81691-58909. Come and build the AI database skills the market is actually paying for. See you in the batch.